Hello, my name is Brayan Montes. Development of Step 3. Question number 1. Did you spend most money on your last trip? What's either fireman? On the last trip, I didn't spend enough money. We traveled with my partner for 5 days and visited distant relatives. I spent an amount on $200, which includes lodging, food, and transportation. Question number 2. What is the most unknown food you have tried one trip? One trip Santa Marta. I tried the Brea Prax. I did not think or had seen them. I have to find them in Bogota. I buy them to share with my family. Question number 3. What are the most visited place or tourist attraction in your city? Monserrate is one of the most visited places in Bogota. People who are in Bogota can enjoy good place. They should plan visit the museums, square and restaurants. They have to include the Plaza de Bolívar, the Gold Museum and restaurants of the Square of Perseverance. Question number 4. What was the most expensive place you visit in your city? The Cantayoles restaurant is one of the most expensive places I have visited. I treat it very delicious dish from the Mediterranean area, but I didn't like the attention of the waiter. I have written a recommendation to improve the attention. Question number 5. What are the best things that have happened you on one trip? Mention two. Silent Sake the Haupan Hills in Gorgon Island was the most magnificent and wonderful thing I enjoyed on vacation trip. I like to dance salsa and during a trip I might need to compete in the Salsa World Cup that take place in Cali. I didn't win, but I was ranked number 3. I have to prepare it to be champion. Thank you.